So guys, are you Team Archer or are you Team Joby? Hey hustlers, welcome back to the channel where we delve in emerging technologies and exciting prospects in the market. I'll provide you with insightful analysis and investment opportunities throughout this series. In today's episode, we're venturing into the dynamic and rapidly evolving sector of electrical vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. This innovative mode of transport is poised to revolutionise urban mobility by offering a sustainable alternative to traditional ground transport. Our focus will be on the two industry frontrunners, Joby Aviation and Archer Aviation, who are not just shaping up for the future of air travel, but are also presenting unique investment opportunities. Join us as we explore technologies, market strategies, and potential to determine which of these companies might offer you the best prospect for forward-thinking investors. Let's get into it. Are you Team Archer or are you Team Joby? Right guys, first off I want to thank you for the incredible support we've seen over just the first week. Your support means more resources for research, helping us dig deeper. Please do one thing for me at this early stage. Pause that video, hit that subscribe, just so I can make more Archer and Joby content just for you. Let's dive in. Both Joby Aviation and Archer Aviation are at the forefront of urban air mobility, revolutionising travel with their cutting-edge electrical vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. They share a common goal like partnerships with major airlines and imminent commercial launches. However, strategic approaches differ, impacting their investment profiles. Joby Aviation CEO is Joe Ben Beveridge, who brings an extensive experience in robotics and consumer electronics. Joby Aviation is known for its vertically integrated model, developing key components in-house. This control over production could lead to superior aircraft and performance at market entry. Joby is ahead in the certification process, potentially leading to an earlier start in commercial operations. Financially, Joby is experiencing significant cash burn as it scales up, reflecting in a substantial net loss. However, Joby has a significant cash runway of $1 billion in reserves. The current stock price is $487 with a market cap of approximately $3.48 billion and a price to earnings of about negative 6.4. On the other hand, we have Archer Aviation, helmed by Adam Goldstein, driving the company towards key operational milestones. Conversely, Archer Aviation uses the traditional model, partnering with established aerospace suppliers to potentially lower costs and mitigate certification risks. Archer's financial health is relatively stable, with a less net loss compared to Joby. The company is gearing up towards mass production and has secured important contracts, including those with the Department of Defense. The company recently received Part 135 Air Carrier certification from the FAA, essential for operating an on-demand air taxi service. Additionally, Archer has been granted Part 145 certification, allowing it to perform specialized aircraft repair services. These certifications are key steps towards launching commercial services with its Midnight eVTOL aircraft, which still requires type certification to ensure it meets all FAA design and safety standards. Midnight is designed as a four-seater eVTOL aircraft plus a pilot capable of flying up to 100 miles at speeds of up to 150 miles an hour, using tilt rotors for vertical takeoff and landing and transition into forward flight just like a plane. Archer's progress includes a significant order from United Airlines and a production partnership with Stellantis. The company, which came out of stealth in 2020 and recruited talent from competitors, is one of the few eVTOL firms close to launching commercial operations during ongoing challenges and changes with the FAA certification process for eVTOL aircraft. The current price is around $327 with a market cap of $1.07 billion and a price to earnings of negative 1.76. There's been recent advancements in both companies, with Joby Aviation having made significant strides by acquiring X-Wing autonomous division, indicating a future where Joby's electrical vertical takeoff and landing air taxi could operate pilotlessly with a game-changing prospect in advanced air mobility. X-Wing specialises in developing autonomous flight control systems. Last year, they were the first company to initiate FAA certification process for a large unmanned aerial system. They've impressively logged 250 autonomous flights and 500 auto landings. X-Wing is also aiming to certify superpilot technology for remotely piloted cargo operations, having acquired 3 air cargo carriers to support this initiative. Furthermore, Archer Aviation announced in a recent tweet they're excited to share that they received FAA certification to begin operating as an airline. By receiving Part 135 Air Carrier and Operator Certificate, they're now allowed to begin operating aircraft commercially with airline partners like United Airlines. They've now received both Part 145 and Part 135 certificates from the FAA, which are 2 key operational certificates required by the FAA for Archer to be in a position to begin their air taxi operations when Midnight receives type certification. This provides a massive boost for Archer, as this regulation will now put it on fast track to be parallel with Joby. In international context, Joby has partnered with Abu Dhabi to establish an air taxi ecosystem aligned with Abu Dhabi's 2030 tourism strategy. This collaboration aims to enhance the region's mobility infrastructure using Joby's zero-emission air taxis, which are expected to improve connectivity between locations in the United Arab Emirates, such as Abu Dhabi and Dubai. Joby Aviation is actively expanding its manufacturing capabilities, having recently announced a new facility in Dayton, Ohio, which will be capable of producing up to 500 aircraft per year. This expansion supports their ongoing growth and prepares for increased demand as they move closer towards a commercial launch. Archer Aviation, much like Joby Aviation, has positioned itself as a strong contender in the electrical vertical takeoff and landing market, showing promise through its strategic initiatives and partnerships, market potential and financial stability, and we'll now compare the two under these 3 fundamentals. Archer is deeply integrated into the eVTOL market, developing with its flagship aircraft Midnight, designed for urban air mobility. The aircraft design facilitates short back-to-back trips with quick recharge times, optimizing it for the dense urban environments. Archer's entry into the market is bolstered by a strategic partnership with Stellantis, which supports Archer with advanced manufacturing technology and expertise, reducing the financial burden of ramping up production. As Joby Aviation is positioned as a market in emerging electric vertical and takeoff and landing market, which is anticipated to transform urban mobility significantly. As one of the few companies pioneering in this sector, Joby represents a novel investment in a potentially lucrative market. So in relation to strategic partnerships and expansion, Archer has formed significant partnerships, notably with Stellantis and Interglobe. Stellantis is not only aiding in construction of Archer's manufacturing facilities, but also enhancing commercial production capabilities with substantial financial backing and expertise. This collaboration is set to streamline Archer's path to commercialization, indicating strong market entry potential. Furthermore, the partnership with Interglobe to operate 200 Midnight eVTOL in India exemplifies Archer's commitment to expanding its operational footprint globally, which will lead to substantial revenue generated from pre-delivery payments and other international deals. Joby has established strategic partnerships and planned infrastructure developments in key urban areas like South California, New York, and internationally in Dubai. These partnerships are geared towards launching air taxis, indicating potential for significant growth and market penetration. Financially, Archer appears to be robust, equipped with significant liquidity to sustain in operation and development phases. As for latest reports, Archer's financial reserves include recent capital infusions and debt financing totaling approximately $586 million. This financial cushion supports their ongoing project and aids in mitigating risks associated with high costs of aerospace development. Despite being pre-revenue, Joby has a robust financial position, with cash reserves of over $1 billion, providing it with substantial runway to continue its operation and development without immediate financial pressure. This strong cash position is crucial as it continues to invest in technology and expand its market presence. These factors showcase Archer Aviation and Joby Aviation as potential viable investments with strong strategic alignments, market readiness, and solid financial foundation, paralleling those promising aspects you find most appealing in Tesla, Nvidia, and Amazon. I believe these key levels is an ideal entry point, as I can see future growth in both Joby and Archer, especially as we start seeing the Fed rates drop. I may pick up a few shares and start building a position in both and see how it pans out, so please let me know in the comments which you think I should go heaviest on.